Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable grills that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're planning a backyard barbecue, camping trip, or tailgate party, these grills can take your cooking experience to the next level. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Gas One 14-inch portable barbecue grill. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $18.99, making it perfect for those who want a compact and affordable charcoal grill. The 14-inch cooking surface is spacious enough for steaks, burgers, or veggies, while its 3-point locking lid ensures even heat distribution for a consistent cooking experience. The dual venting system provides excellent airflow to maintain the perfect temperature, making it ideal for backyard grilling or camping trips. Design-wise, the grill is lightweight at just 4 pounds and features a powder-coated finish for durability. The compact size and locking lid make it easy to transport, and the built-in ash catcher helps keep your grilling area clean. While it excels in portability and simplicity, it's not as robust as higher-end models, and its small cooking area may not suit larger gatherings. Overall, the Gas One grill is a solid choice for anyone looking for a basic, portable charcoal grill on a budget. It's great for occasional use, but if you want more features or a larger cooking surface, you might want to consider the other options on this list. At number 4, we have the Seika HeavyDuty Folding Campfire Grill. This grill is perfect for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who love to cook directly over a campfire. Priced at $29.97, it's affordable and built to last with its heavy-duty welded steel construction. The 17 inches by 12 inches surface is roomy enough to grill multiple meals or support a Dutch oven, and the angled legs provide excellent stability over uneven ground, keeping the grill level over your fire pit or coals. One of the standout features is its folding design, which allows the legs to fold flat for easy storage and transport. The food-safe coating ensures durability and prevents food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. While this grill doesn't have the bells and whistles of propane or charcoal models, its minimalist design is ideal for rustic, direct fire cooking. However, it's best suited for campfire use and might not be the most versatile choice for backyard barbecues. If you're looking for a durable, lightweight, and portable grill for camping trips or RV adventures, the Seika Campfire Grill is a fantastic addition to your outdoor cooking gear. It delivers on simplicity and reliability, making it great for those who enjoy the authentic campfire cooking experience. Taking the number 3 spot is the Charroyal Grill-to-Go X200. This portable propane gas grill is priced at $103.70. and features Charroyal's innovative amplifier cooking technology, which eliminates flare-ups while delivering consistent heat for juicier, more flavorful food. The 200-square-inch cooking surface is large enough to handle up to 8 burgers or 12 brats, making it a great choice for small gatherings or tailgate parties. What sets this grill apart is its durable build quality. The stainless steel and aluminum construction make it lightweight yet sturdy, with carry handles and latches for secure transport. The push-button ignition ensures a hassle-free start, while the lid-mounted temperature gauge gives you precise control over cooking temperatures. The removable grease tray makes cleanup quick and easy, which is always a plus for outdoor cooking. On the downside, the single burner limits heat zone flexibility, so it's less versatile for cooking different types of food simultaneously. However, its portability, durable design, and reliable performance make the Charroyal Grill-to-Go X200 a fantastic option for those who want a lightweight yet capable propane grill for camping, tailgating, or road trips. Coming in at number 2 is the Quezinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill with VersaStand, priced at $127.12. This grill offers a fantastic balance of portability and versatility, featuring an adjustable, telescoping base that allows it to transform seamlessly from a tabletop to a freestanding grill. With a 150-square-inch porcelain-enameled cooking surface, it's spacious enough to grill up to 8 burgers or 6 to 10 chicken breasts, making it ideal for family meals. The 5500 BTU burner provides consistent heat, and the twist-to-start ignition makes setup quick and easy. Weighing just under 19 pounds, this grill is lightweight and folds down compactly for transport, with a lid latch and carry handle for added convenience. The cooking grates are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after your barbecue sessions. While this grill excels in portability and ease of use, the 5500 BTU burner may struggle to deliver high heat for larger cuts of meat, and its cooking surface might be limiting for larger gatherings. However, for small families or couples looking for a reliable portable gas grill, the Quezinart Petite Gourmet is a great investment that combines functionality with a sleek design. Finally, at the top of our list is the Quezinart Chef-Style Tabletop Portable Propane Gas Grill. This premium portable grill is priced at $159.99 and offers the most advanced features on this list. With dual stainless steel burners delivering a combined 20,000 BTUs of heat, this grill allows you to create custom heat zones for different foods, perfect for grilling large cuts of meat alongside delicate veggies. The twist-start ignition ensures reliable starts every time, while the integrated thermometer and adjustable knobs give you precise control over cooking temperatures. The build quality here is exceptional, featuring polished stainless steel grates and a compact design that weighs only 22 pounds. The locking lid, folding legs, and carry handle make it incredibly portable, whether you're heading to a tailgate party, camping, or grilling in your backyard. With 275 square inches of cooking surface, it's spacious enough to handle meals for larger groups, making it the ideal choice for serious grillers who need portability without sacrificing performance. While it's the most expensive grill on our list, the Quezinart Chef-Style Portable Gas Grill delivers superior performance, durability, and convenience, making it the ultimate portable grilling solution for any outdoor enthusiast. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy grilling, and see you in the next video.